Hello everyone, welcome to Nyans. In today's video, we will take a quick overview of accounting in Odoo 19 and explore its features like invoicing, vendor bills, payment, bank reconciliation, and financial reports. So this is the dashboard of our Odoo after logging. So I'm going to on accounting module, and this is the dashboard for accounting. You can see your status of sales, purchase, banks, and miscellaneous operations. And in the header section, you can see different types of options like dashboard, customer, vendor, accounting, review, reporting, and configurations. So today we are discussing about customers. Here are the different options you can see: invoices, credit notes, payments, batch payment, products, and customer. So now today I'm going to create a new invoice. I will tell you how to create an invoice in Odoo 19. This is the list of our invoices which we have created till date. Now I'm going to create a new invoice. I have clicked on new. Now need to type our customer name. I have selected Nyans. Need to select the invoice date. I have selected today's date and a product. So suppose I have chosen a cheeseburger and quantity is at 10 and its price is 10. The system automatically calculates the total price. I have clicked on confirm. So I have created the invoice. If required to send this invoice to customer, I can simply click on send button. And I have checked that by mail, and this is the mail of Nyans, like means my customer. I have clicked on send, and you can see the status is sent and its log is going to be maintained here. And if you want to download, you can download from here. Now once we create the invoice and send it to the customer, then we get a payment from them. We can mark it in our payment section from here. Payments. We can create a new option. Once we get a payment from client side, means customer side, we can choose in the receive, and customer is our Nyans. We need to type the amount, how much he paid. So we manually select the 100 and mark as confirm. So this is going to mark as a paid. Now we have sent the invoice to customer. Now if they paid us, then we can click on pay, select our bank if he paid on bank, and we can create a payment. So this is in payment. We will go into the payment section. Here you can say the serial number pay 003, and it is in paid section. If we send that to the customer, then it is the status is sent. We can see its related document in payment. Also we can create a batch payments also, like in that case, suppose we have we need to pay 4-5 payments in a one go, so we can create a batch payment from here. We will select a new batch type like inbound or outbound. Suppose we get a payment, so we will select the inbound. If we are paying to someone, then we are selecting outbound. So here we need to create the batches, then we can simply create a batch payment and the settlement will reflect into the accounting. Okay, that's all for customer section. Thanks for watching.